In today's video, I'll be showing you how to enable voice input speech to text on your Samsung Galaxy A14. So first, open Settings, and under Settings, scroll down until you find General Management. Tap on that. Next, assuming you're using the default keyboard, select Samsung Keyboard Settings. And here, you should scroll down until you find the option, until you find voice input. Tap on that. Here, on the Samsung Galaxy A14, it only supports Google voice typing, so select that. And you should notice that whenever you go to speak something out loud, the icon is there. So tap on the icon and then say hi. As you can see, speech to text has enabled. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.